Hello everybody, welcome back to this will be my mini episode over here. So yeah, I got loads of baking soda in here. Okay, so yeah, I don't need this much. Dump this right over here. Wow! Okay, I think I have it open. So what I'm going to be doing is going to be putting this into here. Yeah. And then we're going to be putting some of this into that. And I'm just going to put all these into here. So what I'm basically doing is making a giant mix and I'm pouring it in there. A couple of them at a time. Since this all has vinegar in it, it will work. I considered all this before I made my video. So yeah, it will work, I promise you. I like that purple color. So, who is ready for the big mix? Wait, never mind, it's not ready yet. I'm just going to put some of this into here. I'm going to put some of this into here. Okay, I think that's good. Take some of that out. And put some into here. Okay, I'll take one more little scoop. Put it in. And then, wait, I have too many. I don't know if you should actually do that. So, you guys ready for this? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Holy crap! Holy my doodles. That was amazing. Okay, so, whoa, look at all that I took down. Wow, I'm gonna put all that into here. Because then we'll have the grand finale and put it all together. Ooh, look, mushy stuff. Okay. Look at that mist. Did you see that? Okay, this looks like the night sky right here. Don't you see that? Well, like, maybe I don't know. Oh my god. That looks so epic. Yeah, I'm pouring some more baking soda into here. Just because I need it for the grand finale. Since all this is cooling down. Oh my god, this is so epic. I'm glad they didn't make a thing called smell cam. Because right now it's smelling really bad. Oh, that looks like beer. Do you see that? That looks like beer or root beer or something like that. I like that color. Oh, geez, I don't. Okay, so once that settles down. Okay, so yeah, that settled down. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is going to be like filled to the brim with baking soda. My last video, I said, wait, never mind. Oh my god. Guys, you ready for the grand finale? Everybody, pee your pants. Yeah, that's not so grand. Once I put that, and then put some of this into there. That is the grand finale. Look at those bubbles. See that? That's mutant bubbles. And it's alive. The last thing I would do is this. Let's water the garden. Well, more like look at all that mushy stuff. So yeah, that would be my end of the video. Please subscribe. Bye!